Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Tesla motorhome creates an intriguing nexus between leisure travel and environmentally friendly technology. Even though Tesla hasn't made an official announcement about such a car, an educated guess can be made by extrapolating from their current product line and future technical trends. This fictitious RV would probably exemplify Tesla's guiding ideals of electric propulsion, simple design, and cutting-edge technology integration. A 2026 Tesla motorhome would surely have a completely electric drivetrain, utilizing Tesla's know-how in electric motor design and battery technologies. Compared to motorhomes with conventional combustion engines, this would result in quiet operation, immediate torque, and the possibility of considerable fuel and maintenance cost savings. The battery pack, which is probably large enough to meet the energy needs of a big car and its onboard equipment, may be able to take advantage of improvements in energy density to provide a competitive range for long trips. In addition to traditional charging infrastructure at campgrounds and other locations, Tesla's supercharger network would facilitate charging. The external design would probably follow Tesla's minimalist style, which is distinguished by smooth surfaces, clean lines, and aerodynamic efficiency. Because motorhomes are naturally boxy, Tesla engineers would probably concentrate on maximizing range and minimizing drag by optimizing airflow. To further improve sustainability and off-grid capabilities, integrated solar panels on the roof might be used to augment the battery charge. Exterior storage options would be smoothly integrated into the general form, and access and egress would be carefully planned. A 2026 Tesla motorhome's interior would put an emphasis on roominess, practicality, and a cutting-edge user experience. Inside, premium, environmentally friendly materials would be used throughout, maintaining the minimalist design language. Climate control, entertainment, navigation, and possibly even elements of the living quarters would all be controlled by a sizable central touchscreen, similar to those in existing Tesla automobiles. One important feature would probably be smart home integration, which would enable voice commands or a specific mobile application to operate lighting, appliances, and other onboard devices in an easy manner. The living area would have a practical and comfortable design, possibly with furniture that is modular and can be rearranged to meet various needs. Panoramic vistas and plenty of natural light would be provided by large windows. Electric refrigerators, induction cooktops, and other energy-saving gadgets would probably be found in the kitchen area. Water-saving technologies would be incorporated into the bathroom facilities, and the sleeping quarters would be constructed for comfortable rest. A 2026 Tesla motorhome would probably have a more sophisticated version of the company's autopilot or full self-driving technology when it comes to autonomous driving capabilities. Even while complete autonomy poses special difficulties for a car this size and complexity, sophisticated driving assistance technologies would surely improve safety and lessen driver fatigue on lengthy trips. Even though it is only a concept car right now, the 2026 Tesla motorhome offers an intriguing outlook on how leisure travel will develop in the future. Such a vehicle might provide a pleasant, eco-friendly, and cutting-edge means of traveling the world by combining electric propulsion, minimalist design, and state-of-the-art electronics. The market's acceptance of an electric motorhome at a potentially premium price point, battery range, and the availability of charging infrastructure are some of the variables that could affect its success. However, the possibility of a Tesla joining the motorhome industry portends a potentially revolutionary change in this market's direction toward electrification.